Hello everyone. This session is about sports for development. Development cooperation using sports or sports for development is the use of sports as a medium to contribute to social development and issues such as human rights, social integration, education, and disease eradication in developing countries. Today, the importance of sports is being emphasized as it is an effective medium for international development cooperation. Sports also can be used as an effective means for social development, such as the pursuit of gender equality. Understanding these values, European countries began to use sports for social development shortly after World War II. And the Sports for All movement arose based on an understanding of the social function of sports. Similarly, at the 1952 General Assembly, UNESCO held a subsidiary meeting that dealt with sports and education as a major agenda and declared that sports are an effective means of education. In 1978, UNESCO adopted a charter asserting that sports and physical activities are basic human rights. The United Nations General Assembly ratified a treaty to eliminate factors impeding women's participation in sports, and a treaty to guarantee free physical activity for children in 1989. In the beginning, Sports for Development projects, however, focused on strengthening the capabilities of sports themselves, such as building related infrastructure, improving sports instruction methods, developing sports goods and equipment, and improving performance. This approach may have a temporary effect on the partner country and benefit the region for a short while. But these sort of aid activities were mostly used as a tool for temporary resolution of relationships between countries. Later on, sports began to be used as a useful tool for international development in the 2000s. In 2001, a former UN Secretary General, Kofi Annan, appointed a special assistant specializing in sports and international development in an effort to carry out sports development cooperation projects more efficiently. Additionally, the United Nations designated 2005 as the Year of Sports and Physical Education, emphasizing the importance of sports. Varied agents are participating in sports for development. International sports organizations, including the International Olympic Committee, or IOC, are actively participating in sports for development. Olympic Solidarity, a project operated by the International Olympic Committee, includes programs training athletes and strengthening the capabilities of sports administrators. FIFA is supporting social development programs of sports NGOs under the brand Football for Hope. Sports professional leagues such as National Basketball Association in the United States and professional teams like Manchester United Football Club, support elite sports directly or through domestic federations and associations in developing countries. They also provide financial support to local development programs such as the construction of health centers and libraries. Donor countries are also participating in international development cooperation using sports. For instance, Commonwealth Sports Canada has integrated sports development and sport for development programming to promote individual and community social development and to build national sports system capacity throughout the Commonwealth for 25 years. This is a sports international development program conducted bilaterally between states. In this chapter, we had a look at sports and development. Thank you.